Hello guys, this is Anthony, and I'm going to discuss whether a person has to buy gold now or not. You must take this one for education purpose. Okay, this is my own view, and it is not mandatory that you must buy gold or not. Fine, that is left to your option. Based upon my experience, I'm conveying whatever you need to do with the gold. Fine. I've been watching these gold prices for the last 15 years, and I have got good experience in buying gold, in trading with commodity market also with MCX. And I also used to watch international prices. Okay. And that is why I have pretty much good idea about this one. Before that, I worked in United States also for nearly 7 years. There I got an opportunity to buy jewels also. So basically, if someone is going to ask this question to me, am I going to buy gold or not? Definitely, I'll say yes to that one, and I will buy gold. Okay, no doubt about that one. Whether it is for investment purpose or whether it is for ornamental purpose, that is left to that person, right? If someone is going to ask me, are you going to invest in gold right away? Let us say 1 kilogram of gold. I'll say no to that one because 1 kilogram of gold cost too much. And the reason behind that one is gold has increased nearly 60% in the last year. I will show you the data. And that is the reason I'm a little bit hesitant to buy gold, right, in a bulk lot. However, I can buy gold in small grams or something like that, right? Suppose if I'm going to buy like 10 grams or 20 grams or 50 grams, that is okay. So that I can wait for 5 years and I can get the benefit out of that one. In India, usually what happens nowadays, like we are given interest at the rate of 6.5% when you go to post office, right? We are given little bit more interest also. If you calculate, it takes nearly 9 years to 10 years to get that money doubled. Fine. And that is what I've seen with many of the investing schemes. But seeing the gold history for the last 25 years, I came to a conclusion that, fine, at least once in 5 years, this gold will get doubled. Okay. We should not take like, from 2026 to 2030, will it double, right? That is not guaranteed. But however, if you take this 25 years horizon, the gold has gone more than 5 times. Okay. Now, like in 2000, it was around, I think, 6,000 rupees for 8 grams, and 1 gram was costing around 500 rupees. Okay. In nearly like 25 years, this 500 rupees per gram gold, right, that has gone up to 11,000, right? So forget this 11,000. Now think about this 6,500 or 7,000 in 2024, and you can see how that it is doubled. In India, we have a general feeling that, during Diwali, the gold price will increase. During this Ashteti, the gold price will increase. And for some festivals, it will get increased. Okay. That kind of things are there. But many people do not know why that gold price is really increasing. So first thing is demand and supply. I completely agree with that one. And those factors were taken into consideration like maybe 20 years or 25 years back. But nowadays, what is happening? This gold is traded in the international market, and gold takes a hit or gold goes up by a lot of factors. And at this point of time, again, if you're going to ask me, are you going to buy gold? Definitely, I'll say yes, no doubt about that one, because gold is like a finance for us. It's like money. Okay, in India, you know that many banks offer loan for gold at the rate of 8.5%, 9%, 9.5% per annum. And you have pawnbroker shop also, like in every street almost. Fine. And if you want to sell it also, and if you have the proper receipt, then we can go and sell the gold to the vendor from whom we have bought the jewel, right? They'll be taking 3% out of that one. Okay. So suppose if gold price is 10,000 rupees, then they will take 3% out of that one, okay, 300 rupees. And if you don't have that receipt, then it becomes a problem. You may need to give like 5% to that vendor, okay, who is going to buy that one. That is how it acts. So gold is very, very good for financial purpose. And moreover, if we are going to invest money in the bank, it's not going to double immediately, maybe within 5 or 6 years. But I believe gold in this current situation will go rapidly. So, what are the factors, right? US dollar and INR strength. Okay. US dollar, if this is strong, then ultimately the gold, many people will not buy, right? If the US dollar price weakens, then many will buy this gold. And similarly, INR strength, right? This is Indian rupee. Way back in 1999, right, when I was in US, the actual USD to INR conversion was 42 rupees and 46 paise. Over 26 years, this conversion has doubled and is almost giving like 86 rupees, 87 rupees now. If our INR strength has remained the same at 42 rupees and 46 paise, then whatever we are seeing at 11,000 rupees per gram, that would not have happened. It should be like 5,500 rupees per gram. So one of the major factors is, okay, Indian rupees not at its strength. Okay, every year it is going down, and this year it has gone almost by like 6 to 7%, and that gives additional weightage to the Indian value. Okay, in jewelry shops in other places. That is why this gold increases. That's number one. Next one is inflation and interest rates. Whenever see this part, okay, my belief is psychologically there is no reason behind this one, right? For example, if the US government is going to decrease the interest rate, right? The federal government announces the interest rate decrease. For example, this month, I think they have announced 0.25%. Last month or last but 1 month, they decreased another 2.25%, right? Whenever they decrease the interest rate, automatically this gold price goes up, right? Most of the times. At some places, at some times, it doesn't go up, right? So this is one of the factors. And then this inflation. When this inflation rises, that means when a product which you bought at 100 rupees, right, it's costing like around 110 rupees, then the inflation is around 10%. Okay. In that situation also, like they are moving into safe haven. And global economic uncertainty. What is that, man? The war between Russia and as well as Ukraine. Fine. And the war between the Palestine and as well as Israel, and some kind of missile attacks from Iran and Israel. Okay, couple of months back. These are all global uncertainties, right? Whenever there is a geopolitical tension, automatically this gold price will increase, right? Then the central bank purchases. Nowadays, what is happening? There is a big fight going on with the US dollar and as well as with the gold, and many federal banks, right? In India, we call it as Reserve Bank. And similarly, like Reserve Banks, every country has got its own Reserve Bank, right? So those banks are purchasing this gold a lot. And India has also bought a lot of gold, okay, in the last year. When the companies, when the country's banks, right, buy gold, then the prices gets increased. Similarly, with oil price also, if oil price can increase inflation, boosting gold demand. ETF and investment demand. Okay, I think this is one of the major reason. Okay, this is exchange traded funds. If many people put more money on this ETF and investment demand is more, okay, it automatically goes up, right? And then mining supply and production cost. Okay, these are the major factors that affect gold. Now, if we see this one, okay, this ETF and investment demand is only one portion, right? What we see in Diwali, other festival seasons, Ashtay Tithi, right? That is only one reason. But if you see this dollar, INR strength, US dollar to INR conversion, global economic uncertainty, okay, this plays a major role there. Okay, 3 years before, the gold was not at its peak. Okay, it was stable. But however, that Russian-Ukraine war ignited this one, and the gold has come up to 12,300 or 400, okay, last month. And from there, it got dropped to 11,000, around 11,000. And now it is trading at 11,000. 200 rupees. Okay, if I show you some documents, right, then it may help you find. For example, if I go here, okay, in the last 12 months, you can see the gold price here. Last 7th, right, that is yesterday, it was 11,384. That is 10-gram price. But when I scroll down, okay, when I go there to the last year, it was only trading at 7,200 rupees. You see, this kind of increase I've never seen with gold, okay, in my career. And this is 7,200 to 11,384, right? This is a major increase. And that is why I am taking a decision that, okay, I should not buy gold like in bulk lots, right? 1 kg or 2 kg. But however, I can buy it in grams, right? On a periodical basis. Then if I see the historical gold chart, right? This is on year basis. In 2025, right? This is 24 carat per 10 grams is 1,11,000 rupees. But if I scroll down and if I go below, right? In 1964, one sovereign, right, of 10 grams is 63 rupees, and 1970, 184 rupees. So in this 10 years, okay, it is almost 2.5 times increased. And then if you come here, okay, it has become 1,330, right? So 10 times it has increased from, not 10 times, approximately 5 times it has increased from 184 to 1,330. Then if you go to 1990s, 3,200, right? So at least like 200% has increased. And if you go to 2000, okay, it's not a major increase. Okay, only 40% increase in the 10 years, right? From 1990 to 2000, it was not that great, fine. And if you come here in 2000, 4,400, and 2010, 18,500, 300% increase approximately. And then from this 18,500, it has gone to 48,000. From 48,000, it has doubled. Okay. So on average, what happens every 5 years, this price is getting doubled. Okay. I believe that in the next 5 years, this 1,11,000 will go to 2,20,000. Fine. And if you want to see, okay, what is really going on in the international market, you can go with this live gold price, kitco.com. On the left-hand side, you can see this gold price, right? Here. Okay. Now the market is closed, right? So it says, right, change, correct? Now it says live spot gold price. What is this one? 3,919. It's the last traded price. And what is the 1 year change? 1,315. And similarly, if you want to see silver price also, you can see it here. And then platinum, palladium, rhodium, right? All prices are given here. This is a good website. And if you want to convert this dollar to INR, then this xe.com is a good one. You take what you want to convert, okay, and from this currency to this currency, and from there you can figure it out, right? So suppose if $1, okay, I want to convert it, just click this convert, and you will be able to see that value there. Okay, today it is 88.64 rupees. When you are coming on Monday and seeing this one, this may be having a different price also. Okay, so that's how you calculate. And moreover, see, if you want to know more about this MCX, right? This is a popular place where gold and silver and other agricultural commodities are traded. Okay, let me close this one. If you go to the market data, you can see all of this one. Okay, let me click this market watch. This is a little bit dangerous one. Okay, so you need lot of education to invest money on this one. Fine. They do have something called as futures and options. Okay, if you are good to understand, okay, what is option, what is future, what is call, what is short, right? Then definitely after proper studies, we can get invested into this, okay, MCX commodity market, but it is very, very risky and highly dangerous also. Without proper education, proper experience, one must not enter into this one. Some safer bets are there, okay. Now let me select this instrument, okay. I'll select Future ID. Then I'll say MC Bulldex. Then here, okay, I'll click show. So this gives something. Okay. Similarly, in future IDX, you may be having, okay, all. Let me click this all. Okay, then also it is not appearing now. Okay. So let me click this market data, right? Let me click this market watch. Fine. If you go below, you can see different variants of gold. Okay. You see gold here, right? That is the big one. And if you go to the next page, you can see other things also, right? There will be a section called, okay, archive. Go to that archive section and see, okay, see here also this BAW copy is there, right? Go there, okay, click it, and you can see the BAW copy here, okay. So let me go to the place where gold is there, fine. So let me click the 10th page, okay. In 10th page, we are getting copper. Okay, let me click the 33rd page, crude oil, 80th page, okay, gold, right? Fine. So one by one, we'll see. Okay, you will understand what is there. Okay, you can see gold only, right? And after that, they have gold petal, gold mini, lot of gold guinea, a lot of things are there. So you go to this website, explore it, you'll get to know, okay, what is this one? And from here also, you can make a lot of money if you have proper intelligence, right? That is very much important. Okay. So altogether, my conclusion is, okay, when someone is interested to buy gold, that definitely they can buy in small lots. And when the price drops too much, or when the price is stable for more time, then they can step into that one and buy gold. Okay. Thanks a lot. So in the next video, I'll try to see you. Bye-bye.